Are you a guy wondering if Tinder is a black hole for your time or a hidden gem for meeting someone? Let's break it down. First, understand Tinder's game. Success hinges on your profile. Use high-quality, clear photos that show your personality, hobbies, and, importantly, your face. No blurry group shots or fish pictures. Write a short, engaging bio that gives potential matches a reason to swipe right. Think interesting, not generic. Real talk, Tinder is a numbers game. The better your profile, the more matches you'll get. The more matches, the higher your chances of actually meeting someone. A well-crafted profile significantly impacts your success rate. Don't just swipe right on everyone, be selective. Look at profiles, read bios, and swipe on people you genuinely find interesting. Using super likes will show them that you are interested. Also, using more super likes can improve your chance of matching. Once you get a match, the real work begins. Ditch the generic pickup lines and start a conversation based on something in their profile. Ask questions, be engaging, and show genuine interest. The goal is to move the conversation off Tinder and onto a date. So, is Tinder worth it? It depends on your effort. With an optimized profile, selective swiping, and engaging conversation, it can be a valuable tool. But remember, be patient, be yourself, and have fun.